Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Good morning, everyone. I am Samriddhi Sharma of Class 6 is going to conduct today's morning assembly. Here are some thoughts, topics, poems and amazing facts by our class. Hope you all like it. Stay home, stay safe.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhargavi Verma. My thought is, you can hurt me with the truth, but never comfort me with a lie. Don't let the devil win. Always speak truth. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, Dagshai Public School. My name is Parul Sharma from Class 6. I am here with my amusing facts on the topic of respect. We teach children that respect is the ability to recognize and appreciate the rights, beliefs, and practices and differences of other people. Often, people use the word tolerance and acceptance when they talk about respect. These are important, but respect means just tolerating or accepting a person. Give respect with respect. Thank you.
Everyone, what for the day is, truth helps us to be bold. When we speak truth, we feel joy. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Raj. I'm studying in class 6. Today's poem about good habits. Patience and empathy is one of the most important good habits that a child should be taught about. Successful people like Narendra Modi, Amitabh Bachchan, Bill Gates, Sachin Tendulkar are all disciplined and dedicated towards their work. Respecting elders is also a good habit that child shall be calculated about. Thank you.
Morning, Dagshai Public School. My name is Harman Kaur, 6th standard. Today thought for the day is, I measure the strength of a spirit by how much the truth it can take. I repeat, I measure the strength of a spirit by how much truth can take it. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Dagshai Public School. Here I am Samriddhi Sharma of Class 6 with a thought on the topic respect. You should respect each other and refrain from disputes. You should not like oil and water repel each other, but should like milk and water mingle together. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Parents and teacher, I am Yug Gupta from class 6 of Dagshai Public School, and today I am going to tell you about good habits that I feel that should be adopted by everyone that to be successful in their life. Now I am going to tell you about some good habits that everyone should have. Number 1, get on a good schedule. Number 2, eat a healthy diet. Number 3, exercise regularly. Number 4, practice gratitude. Number 5, develop good study habit. Number 6, respect the environment. Number 7, strive of excellence. Number 8, live life hygienically. Number 9, always tell the truth. Number 10, be punctual, good reader and respect authorities. Thank you.
Good morning, Dagshaians. Today I got question. My class 6 is going to recite today's thought on honesty. Honesty is the moral compass to guide us. Thank you.